Landfill pollution is becoming a larger and a much bigger threat than it was before. We humans created this problem because so much people produce too much waste in the biodegradable rate. This causes landfills to grow greater in size and at rapid rates. For example, an average person produces 4.38 pounds of waste each day and approximately 1,600 pounds each year. Although it may not seem like a lot, currently there are 7.2 billion people and counting in the world. In 2008, America itself was producing more than 1.35 billion pounds of waste each day, and that is with only 300 million people. Imagine how much waste the world produces each day. The waste will continue to grow and grow. Another part of landfills is the odor that comes from it, and most of it is methane and carbon dioxide. Not only is this bad for people who live around these areas, but the gases that come out of landfills can cause people to have coughing, irritation of the eyes, nose, and throat, headache, nausea, and breathing difficulties. It is also very flammable, meaning very dangerous. There are sometimes cracks that occur in a landfill that can cause chemicals such as car battery acid, paint, household cleaners, and so on to get into our groundwater and contaminate it. There is also many, over 20,000 hazardous abandoned waste sites that can cause the groundwater to be contaminated. This contaminated water is called leachate. This water can be easily put into homes where they do not know of it being contaminated and can seriously be affected by it. Through all of this, however, many people like you and me refuse to acknowledge what is happening, and many of us just ignore it. A lot of us make the excuse that recycling or simply letting the trash sit around is the answer. This is not the case. If we continue to let the waste keep on adding up, then all of our landfills will be filled, and sooner or later we will have no room for trash in the world.